Alexander Hamilton's enduring impact on capitalism. Alexander Hamilton, one of the founding fathers of the United States, played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's financial system. His vision laid the foundation for American capitalism, influencing its growth and development into the economic powerhouse it is today. Through his policies and forward-thinking ideas, Hamilton established key institutions and practices that continue to drive the U.S. economy. Hamilton's impact on capitalism began with his tenure as the first Secretary of the Treasury. Faced with a young nation burdened by debt, Hamilton implemented a series of bold financial reforms designed to stabilize and grow the economy. He championed the federal assumption of state debts, creating a unified national debt that helped establish the creditworthiness of the United States. One of Hamilton's most significant contributions was the creation of the first Bank of the United States. This institution served as a central bank, providing stable currency and facilitating government and private business transactions. By promoting a strong central financial system, Hamilton paved the way for a robust capitalist economy. Hamilton was a strong advocate for industrialization and innovation. In his report on the subject of manufactures, he argued for government support of emerging industries. He believed that fostering industrial growth would diversify the economy, reduce dependence on foreign goods, and create jobs. This vision of an industrialized America contributed to the nation's economic expansion and technological advancement. Through his policies, Hamilton encouraged entrepreneurship and risk-taking, essential elements of capitalism. By laying the groundwork for a market-driven economy, he set the stage for future economic growth and prosperity. Hamilton's influence extends beyond his lifetime, as his economic principles continue to underpin modern capitalism. The financial systems and institutions he established have evolved but remain integral to the functioning of the U.S. economy. His belief in a strong central government supporting economic growth is reflected in contemporary fiscal and monetary policies. Moreover, Hamilton's emphasis on credit, banking, and industrialization has become a blueprint for capitalist economies worldwide. His legacy is evident in the global spread of market economies that prioritize innovation, investment, and growth. As we reflect on Alexander Hamilton's profound impact on capitalism, it is crucial to continue exploring and understanding the foundations of our economic systems. Engaging with educational content can deepen our knowledge and appreciation of these historical influences. We invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on history, economics, and their intersections. To further enrich your learning experience, check out the link in the description to access our homeschool materials, offering a comprehensive curriculum designed to educate and inspire.